Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you the entire process of creating a logo from start to finish. I started by listing all the important elements that the client wanted in the logo, including an island covered with grass, eggs, Easter eggs, a person with a basket, and a bunny painting a large egg. Next, I searched for additional Easter themed ideas on Pinterest and created a board to compile all the important images I liked. When I was done with my board, I moved to my iPad and began sketching. Enjoy the process. Once I have a rough sketch, I lowered its opacity and draw a line over it for the final outline. I really like the sketch of a bunny, it's just adorable. This basket is a bit too detailed, but I wanted to experiment with a more interesting texture. And this is the final sketch.
Back in that bag.
The next step is to fill the elements with flat colors, which is easy, so I decided to skip it and move straight to shading. For shading, I typically use a layer with multiply blending mode above base colors, and a layer with overlay for the highlights. In summary of the logo, I remove outline to give it a smoother shape and downplay the contrast. And this is the final result. I believe I have met the client's requirements, and peace.